Here's another reclaimed wood project. It was a couple days in the making. It's a compost bin. It's squirrel proof, hopefully, and 1/4 inch steel mesh for the three sides, the top and the floor. It's all reclaimed except for the hardware. The lid is on 2 hinges and stays up when you open it. The front, for when you want to turn the compost or take it out, has these removable slats, and it's just another little piece of wood on both sides to create the track so that they stay nice. And the floor, again, it's for now it's just that steel mesh. You could cover it with another piece of wood, and that will also decompose slowly in the compost, or cement blocks, ceramic tiles, anything you want. But it doesn't need to be. The wire mesh is small enough for the most part. It'll keep most of the compost in it. However, it can break if you're not very careful with the shovel, so I'm going to look for something to cover it with. But again, another reclaimed wood do-it-at-home project. It's called the Compost Fort. Again, it's called the Compost Fort, and that name has been chosen by the 5-year-old. The dimensions: the floor is 43.5 by 43.5. It's just got the 2x4s pillars for the corners and for the cross sections, and for the top, you can see over there, the piece wasn't long enough to do 45-degree angles like it was on the other sides. So that's how we joined it, and it's 4 feet tall. There you have it, folks. 5 cement paving stones, cracked sort of in half. See, they're highly uneven, with a 8-pound maul. And total cost for the project, about $3 for the hinges, maybe $1.50 for the handle, and about $6 for a box of 3-inch screws. And I didn't even use the whole box, so less than $10 for slightly more than a cubic meter of compost bin, and cost total about $10. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe. Any questions, put them down below. And as always, if you use the links in the description, you'll be supporting this channel. Thank you.